Hey, it's Ed at Antique Toys. I'm at Model Citizen Hobbies, and we are in Largo or St. Petersburg area, Florida. So stay tuned for more. We're going to have a nice little overview. Come see Brian. Tell him I sent you. So let's start a quick overview of Mr. Showa here. Brian's Model Citizen Hobbies. We've got the arguably Mandarake style museum and model museum display. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to zoom out a little bit and I'll just start at the top. Bio Dragon and Go Lion, Daltanius, Megatron. We've got the Robotech style, which would be, I think, Dvorak. We've got the early Car Robo style, but that's Micronaut, Diaclone, Optimus Prime, Dogram, Guardian. We've got films there, Popey Films, Deimos, and then the absolutely gorgeous Macross model kits. A lot of these are just museum grade finds. I think Brian got these in Japan, as well as networking through his store here. Look at that tiger. Woo! And now let's continue the museum tour. Whoa, look at that. The Koji bike, as I recall, or the Great Mazinga bike. Good old Daitaron 3, E-Dye grip, Hurricane Polymer, I think. Sounds like another language, doesn't it? But the whole point is it's robot goodness. This is Spider-Man's Leopoldin. Think of that. Spider-Man had a robot in Japan. Talk about kick ass. Excuse me, kickbot. Beep. And then a super nostalgia poster for Guy King to go with his carrier, Cargosaur. And then Guy King. If you're wondering, GX100, this is where Bandai went crazy, tried to outdo themselves on scale, and it's one of the biggest ever done. Modern Golion, Dan Kuga, 50th anniversary complete modification set for Kamen Rider, good old Scorponok, and Transformers, as well as Trider G7. For all those auto nuts in modeling, we've got Revell kits, AMT kits, gorgeous near new old stock items, as well as nostalgia releases for the car guys and gals with oddities. He's big on oddities, Ecto 1, Tumbler, Beverly Hills Cop Nova, as well as the hot stuff that's more current, Fair Lady, and this MCR, which is Aoshima. I like this guy. Sci-fi military, got some real nice militaria, killer kits, and then it melds over to sci-fi. Revenge of the Creature of the Black Lagoon style, Jurassic Park, Yamato, and Troopers. Finally, we're going with the cool, trendy, I'm trying to think what to call them, but basically ladies that have turned into robotics, which I guess would be androids. Really nice. And then when you need your Tamiya, he's got a whole load of Tamiya paints, as well as Vallejos, which are extremely glossy, beautiful paints, and then modeling kits. And then finally, we're in Gundam goodness, where there are gallons and gallons of Gundams. Perfect grade, master grade, high grade, kid grade, dad grade, crazy grade Shin Musha Gundam grade, master grade. Just amazing toys. And all of these, if you're not that familiar, are built. You get a extremely well molded multicolor kit that's similar to your modeling experiences of old, but then you can customize them and they're really beautiful out of the box. Here's a couple of examples with metal plating or custom painting. So come see Brian, Model Citizens, St. Petersburg area, Tampa Bay area, Florida. And you can see his mastering skills in a case like this. A fair number of these are kits he built, which are just top notch Japanese level skills. And then you can buy kits. And if you're a modeler, he's actually got some build tables in the back. So come see Brian and crew. Take care. Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys.